In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your ClickUp account. If you've decided it's time to close your account, I'll walk you through the process clearly and carefully so you know exactly what to expect. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent and can affect your access to any workspaces you're part of. If you think you might need your data later, consider exporting important tasks or documents beforehand. Also, make sure you're signed in to the correct account in your browser or desktop app to avoid any confusion. Let's get started. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of your screen and click your profile picture. This opens your personal menu. If you don't see your photo, it might appear as your initials in a circle. Either way, that's the same menu. From that menu, click Settings. This takes you into your personal settings area, where you can manage preferences tied to your user profile. If you're working across multiple workspaces, remember that these options are about your account, not just a single space. Inside Settings, head to Account Settings. This is the section dedicated to your account identity and security. It's the place where ClickUp keeps actions like changing your email, updating your password, and, in our case, deleting the account. Now scroll all the way down. Near the bottom, you'll see the option labeled Delete Account. It might be a button or a link with a warning icon next to it. Click that. If you're an owner or admin in any workspace, you may see additional notes explaining the impact on shared data or members. Take a moment to review anything that appears here so you understand what will happen after deletion. Finally, confirm the deletion. ClickUp will ask you to verify that you want to proceed. This could mean reading a confirmation message, checking a box, entering your password, or typing a specific confirmation word. Follow the prompt and confirm. Once you do, your account deletion request is submitted. You might receive an email confirming the action, and some access may end immediately, while the rest finalizes shortly after. That's the full process from start to finish. If the interface looks slightly different on your end, don't worry. Settings labels can move with updates, but the path is the same. Profile picture, Settings, Account Settings, scroll down, and Delete Account. And that's how you delete your ClickUp account. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.